here it is. Nice PS logo there. Hey, what's up guys? It's your boy, Mr. Greek 2002. In today's video, I finally purchased my very first PS4. This is the all-new PS4 Pro. I went for the Pro because I figured, okay, I skipped out on the regular PS4, I skipped out on the regular PS4 Slim, I'll go ahead and get the newest model. So, this was the newest model, so I picked it up. I got it off a local classified ad. It was brand new, sealed in box, no problems. I asked for the receipt. They didn't want to give me a receipt, so I never got a receipt for it basically, but I'm not too worried. I'm sure the sale may be under the warranty without a receipt. And if they don't, then I might go ahead and contact the seller again. And now guys, we'll get down to the actual PS4. So here it is. Nice PS logo there, okay, in the back. You have these, like designed by the, you know, like the triangle, circle, X, square. These are actually the logos from the actual controller. They put them here as like a, kind of like a foot to put this down on. So I guess it won't overheat the table so much, alright. Nice PS logo there in black. Wonderful, love it. There's the front of the device, okay, it says Sony here. Nice 3 stripe thing, kind of like Adidas. And here's just PS4. Okay. The side, same thing, 3 stripes, okay. The back, same thing, 3 stripes. Let's see now. And here's all the ports, okay. You have a power port, HDMI port, an aux port, digital out, optical, 1 USB port, and a LAN port, in case you don't have Wi-Fi, I guess. The side here, there's some stuff inside there, like X, Y, and square. The shape basically, I think maybe you put your actual headphone here, the headphone jack is there, I think. Okay, in the back here, this is HDMI, DTS, Dolby True HD, and Blu-ray disc over here. Alright, and here you actually notice the slot opening right here for the actual CD discs, the game discs I guess, and also your Blu-ray disc as well. So we can go ahead and now plug it in. You plug it in back here. Okay, plug it in here, it's plugged. Okay, so now where's the on button? I also noticed guys here that there's 2 USB ports here for the 2 controllers to charge up with, okay? Oh, I think guys the power button is right here, this corner. Yeah, you see, there you go. Okay, nice blue light out of there, I love blue lights. Absolutely amazing guys. And there it is. It sounds pretty quiet. You definitely do hear a fan turn on and start to spin somewhere back here, I think. Yeah, you feel the air coming out of here, out of the back. You feel the air coming out of the back here. Okay. You guys know what the remote looks like. I'll go and show you guys in case you don't know. That's the remote. Okay. That's the back of it. Side. Other side. Wonderful. Like we said, came with the HDMI cable. How long is it? Well, you guys can find out. It's that long. Okay. Total length. That long. So it's pretty long. Alright guys. Got that. You have these headphones. It's a single headphone. I guess you're playing, you know, games. Okay. And the actual cable to charge up the remote. The remote charging cable. Yeah, it's pretty long. It's pretty long as well. Alright, so there it is guys. The all new PS4 Pro that I got guys from a local classified ad and a local seller. I'll go ahead now and show you guys the highlighted specs of this device. It's on the box here. It says here PS4 Pro HD. More HD power, okay. 4K. 4K TV gaming. HDR. HDR technology. 4K entertainment. So basically over the regular one, this Pro one has Pro HD power, okay? 4K gaming, HDR technology, okay? For your TV, and 4K entertainment. Now, my TV that I'm currently going to be using this PS4 on is not 4K. It's in fact maybe like a 10-year-old or 11-year-old 1080p Sony Bravia TV. So why did I get this PS4 Pro? Well, I went online and it said even if you have a regular 1080p TV, you're still going to notice a noticeable difference between this device and the regular PS4 Original or PS4 Slim in terms of, like, you know, quality of picture, maybe a little bit faster, you know, frame rate of gaming, all these little, you know, upgrades basically. So that's why I went ahead and splurged the extra $140 or whatever it was for this PS4 Pro over the regular PS4 Slim or regular one, because I wanted to get the added benefit of all these capabilities, plus a possibility that if my TV goes down, like breaks and I can't fix it, I end up buying a new TV, then this PS4 Pro, even more better and even more greater on my new TV, which will probably be, most likely, 4K. So for future use and future upgradability, this is definitely the way to go. If you could spend the extra $140 or so dollars, go ahead and save it and spend it on this Pro device. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. So guys, that effectively ends the video. This is Mr. Greek 2002. Please guys, drop a huge like on this video and subscribe to my channel for more future PS4 Pro content. I'm gonna go ahead now and start buying games online for this PS4 and start gaming away. Take care, have a good day. I'll see you guys in the next video.